Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoBuzz. Today we're looking at the all-new 2026 Cadillac Escalade IQ, a luxury all-electric full-size SUV that's making big waves. Here's a breakdown of what you need to know: exterior, performance, unique features, interior, safety, price, and my conclusion. Let's dive in. Exterior. The Escalade IQ brings the bold and imposing presence you'd expect from the Escalade nameplate, but with a clean, electrified twist. Its length is around 224.3 inches, 5,697 millimeters, and width about 82.4 inches, 2,093 millimeters. For the standard version, it keeps that upright, boxy luxury SUV look with sharp edges, LED lighting, a large illuminated front fascia, and a premium finish. These design cues make it both a statement vehicle and one ready to compete in the electric luxury arena. One big plus: despite its size, it's cleverly packaged for EV purposes, meaning the exterior design has been optimized for aerodynamics, charging, packaging, and styling in one. Performance. Under the hood, under the body, the Escalade IQ is packin'. It features a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup that in normal mode produces about 615 lb-ft of torque and up to roughly 680 to 750 horsepower depending on drive mode. It's rated for an estimated driving range of up to 465 miles on a full charge, according to Cadillac. For the standard Escalade IQ, charging is super capable too. Via DC fast charging, you can add more than 100 miles of range in about 10 minutes in optimal conditions. Towing capability is still strong, up to around 8,000 pounds in the standard version. In short, yes, it's big, yes, it's luxurious, but it also delivers serious electric performance. Unique features. What sets the Escalade IQ apart are the features that underline its tech and luxury positioning. For example, it offers a 55-inch diagonal curved LED display spanning pillar to pillar across the dashboard. A front trunk adds extra cargo space, reflecting its EV architecture. It employs 800-volt architecture to enable faster charging and efficient power delivery. Premium interior amenities like adaptive air suspension, luxe audio systems, and optional second-row executive seating elevate it. These features make it not just an electric Escalade, but a next-gen luxury vehicle designed for the future. Interior. Step inside and the size becomes real. With 3 rows, it's sized to carry up to 7 passengers in style, and do so comfortably. Legroom and headroom are generous. Interior materials are premium. You'll see fine leather, luxury trims, ambient lighting, and advanced infotainment. The 21-speaker or 38-speaker AKG systems are optional. Luxury touches like massaging front seats, heated/ventilated rear seats, panoramic roof, and quiet cabin thanks to active noise cancellation make it a ride worth savoring. In short, the interior is as much about comfort and presence as it is about tech. Safety. Safety is taken seriously with the Escalade IQ. Standard driver assistance features include surround vision cameras, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and more advanced systems. Additionally, the advanced tech platform of the vehicle, being EV and high-end, means it's built from the ground up for modern safety architectures, battery safety, rigidity, crash performance. While the fully autonomous eyes-off driving capability is still down the road, the foundation is here for premium safety, driver assist, and luxury SUV standards. Price. The starting price for the 2026 Escalade IQ begins in the ballpark of US $127,405 MSRP for the base trim. That price places it firmly in the luxury premium EV space, but given its size, performance, and prestige, it's competitive within its class. Conclusion. The 2026 Escalade IQ is a compelling offering in the luxury EV space. It takes everything people love about the Escalade: size, presence, 3-row utility, and translates it into the electric era. With strong range, high performance, top-tier luxury features, and a price that reflects its status, it stands out. If you're in the market for a full-size electric SUV that doesn't compromise on luxury or tech, the Escalade IQ deserves serious consideration.